What if I told you there's a company that turned a failing textile business into one of the richest companies on earth? It owns insurance companies, railroads, energy businesses, restaurants, and owns billions of dollars worth of Apple stock. Its CEO has now invented a smartphone. He never built an AI company, yet has he become one of the richest investors in history. His name is Warren Buffett, and his company is Berkshire Hathaway. But here's the real question: how did an old textile company become a $1 trillion empire? Today, we will uncover the incredible story behind Berkshire Hathaway. Let's begin. Warren Buffett was not born into a billionaire family. From a very young age, he was obsessed with making money. As a child, he delivered newspapers, sold chewing gum, and even installed pinball machines in local barber shops. By the age of 11, he had already bought his first stock. Years later, he discovered a struggling textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. At the time, the business was falling. Most investors wanted nothing to do with it, but Warren Buffett saw something others did not. He began buying more and more shares. Eventually, he took control of the company. Instead of trying to save the textile business, he made a bold decision. He transformed Berkshire Hathaway from a dying factory into an investment empire. That single decision changed the history of modern investing, but buying Berkshire Hathaway was only the beginning. Warren Buffett needed something that could generate a constant flow of cash. That's when he turned to insurance companies. One of the biggest investments was GUCO. Every year, millions of people pay insurance premiums. The company receives that money long before it has to pay any claims. That money is called the float. Instead of letting that cash sit in a bank, Buffett invested it into great businesses. He looked for companies with strong brands, honest management, and long term growth. He did not trade every day, he did not chase quick profit. He simply bought great companies and held them for years. That strategy turned billions into hundreds of billions, and Berkshire Hathaway became one of the most successful investment companies in history. As Berkshire Hathaway grew bigger, Buffett started buying shares in some of the world's best companies. One of the greatest bets, one of the biggest bets was Apple. Today, Apple is one of Berkshire Hathaway's largest investments, but that is not at all. The company also owns GSO Insurance, BNSF Railway, Berkshire Hathaway Energy, and dozens of other businesses. Together, these companies generate billions of dollars every year. Instead of relying on just one business, Berkshire built an entire ecosystem of profitable companies. This made the company strong enough to survive financial crises, market crashes, and economic downturns. Over the decades, that strategy turned Berkshire Hathaway into a company worth more than $1 trillion. A journey that began with a struggling textile mill had become one of the greatest business success stories ever told. But perhaps Warren Buffett's greatest achievement was not becoming a billionaire, it was proving that patience can outperform speed. While others chased trends, Buffett focused on value. While others tried to predict the next big thing, he invested in businesses that could survive for decades. That's why millions of investors still study his strategy even today. From a failing textile company to a $1 trillion empire, Berkshire Hathaway became one of the greatest business transformations in history. And maybe the biggest lesson is this: great wealth is rarely built overnight, it's built through discipline, patience, and smart decisions made consistently over time. The next time you hear the name Berkshire Hathaway, remember you are not just looking at a company, you are looking at one of the greatest investment stories ever written. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to Alvin Insights because every week we uncover the untold stories behind the world's most powerful companies.